You know those empty plastic bottles piling up in your recycling bin? Well, hold on before you toss them. These humble containers are way more useful than you might think. From making your garden bloom to keeping your home organized, and even giving your cleaning routine a serious upgrade. Plastic bottles can do it all. Here are some of the best tried and tested ways to repurpose plastic bottles, making them work for you instead of clogging up landfills. Gardening hacks with plastic bottles. Number 1, self-watering planters. Ever forget to water your plants? No worries, plastic bottles have your back. Cut a bottle in half and invert the top section into the bottom, leaving the cap off. Add a hole in the cap, thread a piece of fabric or string through it, and fill the bottle half with water. Fill the top half with soil and your plant, letting the string act like a wick to keep the soil moist. This works like magic on herbs, flowers, and even small veggies. Number 2, do-it-yourself greenhouses. Turn a 2-liter bottle into a mini greenhouse to protect seedlings. Cut the bottle off and place the bottle over young plants. The bottle traps warmth and moisture, creating a perfect growing environment for fragile sprouts. Number 3, vertical gardens. Limited space? No problem. Cut holes in the sides of bottles and attach them to a fence or wall. Fill them with soil and small plants like strawberries, herbs, or succulents. Now your garden goes up instead of out. Number 4, drip irrigation system. Make watering easy with slow drip irrigation. Poke tiny holes in a plastic bottle and bury it near plant roots. Fill the bottle with water and it will gradually release moisture, keeping your plants hydrated without waste. Organize and storage solutions. Number 5, cord and cable organizers. Cut the tops off of plastic bottles and use them to store phone chargers, earphones, and other cords. Label them to keep everything tidy and tangle-free. Number 6, snack or dry goods storage. Instead of buying fancy storage bins, use plastic bottles to keep cereal, rice, beans, or pasta fresh. Just cut off the top and secure it with a Ziploc bag through the opening. Number 7, do-it-yourself drawer dividers. Cut bottles into sections and arrange them in a drawer for organizing pens, office supplies, or jewelry. It's like an instant custom drawer organizer without spending a dime. Number 8, do-it-yourself piggy banks. Teach kids the value of saving with a homemade piggy bank. Just cut a slot in the side of a bottle, decorate it, and start dropping in those coins. Do-it-yourself cleaning tools. Number 9, spray bottles for homemade cleaners. Why buy spray bottles when you can make your own? Rinse out an empty plastic bottle and a spray nozzle from an old cleaning product and fill it with a homemade solution. Vinegar and water make a great all-purpose cleaner. Number 10, scrubbing brush handle. Need a long-handled scrubbing brush? Attach a sponge or scrub pad to the bottom of a bottle and use it to clean hard-to-reach spots like tub corners or car rims. Number 11, do-it-yourself soap dispenser. Cut the top off a plastic bottle and attach a pump from an old soap dispenser. Fill it with liquid soap, dish detergent, or hand sanitizer. Number 12, lint roller alternative. Wrap a plastic bottle with double-sided tape and roll it over clothes or furniture to pick up lint and pet hair. Works surprisingly well. Fun and creative do-it-yourself projects. Number 13, bird feeders. Turn an old bottle into a bird feeder. Cut small holes on the sides and insert wooden spoons or dowels as perches. Fill with birdseed and hang outside for your feathered friends. Number 14, floating lanterns. Going camping? Cut a bottle in half, insert the LED light, and create a floating lantern for nighttime ambiance. Number 15, plastic bottle boats for kids. Kids love these. Attach a sail, a piece of fabric or plastic to a small bottle and let it float in a bathtub or pond. Number 16, ice packs for coolers. Fill bottles with water, freeze them, and use them as ice packs in your lunch bag or cooler. No leaks, no mess, and they stay frozen longer than regular ice packs. Wrapping it up. Plastic bottles may be an environmental problem, but with a little creativity, they can be incredibly useful around the house. From gardening and cleaning to organization and fun projects. The possibilities are endless. Best of all, these do-it-yourself solutions save money, reduce waste, and make life a little easier. Stay safe, stay secure, and the next time you're about to toss a plastic bottle, think twice, because it might just be the next great addition to your home. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.